Top 5 worst jobs. Number 5, unpaid training. Answered an ad for a carpet cleaning job. Unpaid training. Thought it would be a quick training course. Turns out they would just work you there until you quit. So basically not paying anybody. And I saw the guy on the news that I was working with get his fingers blown off with fireworks one time, so that was kind of cool. Number 4, deceptive ad. The old bait and switch. Notice the listing in the paper for a position. All the numbers were for the same listing. I show up, there's a bunch of people in the room. They let us all in for the same interview. Start clapping and chanting like some sort of multi-level marketing cult. Next thing I know, they're loading up boxes. It's selling knockoff cologne door to door. So get out of there.
GPI drift.
Number 3, fake SEO sales. Calling people who claim to be on a list for their small businesses to boost their listing on the internet or devices. They're basically screaming at you, and the script was just to keep talking until they stop screaming at you. It's the most absurd thing I've ever seen. And number 2, fake credit repair. Tell the customer to stop paying their bills and we'll settle out their debt, which is a thing. However, the premise was it was no fee. However, we had to convince them to allocate a separate fee each month for our service. I also had these giant vapes in there and a community cleaning day on Thursday. It was very strange.
It is the funniest thing you'll see all week.
I demand you listen to me right now.
Ma'am, I believe you have the wrong number.
And number 1, benefit card stalking. Basically trying to convince people in hospice and in hospital to switch their medical insurance mid-treatment. Not taking no for an answer repeatedly until people are in tears. If you like harassing old people, this job was for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment below.